Muthe Kiengei and his wife Jocelyn were surprised at their home on their anniversary day. Maraumirirwo ni andu kwao mucii kuria maikaraga na gutabanĩrio a surprise marriage anniversary party, igongona ria gũkũngũĩra kĩhiko kĩao. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũrahotire Muthe Kiengei mũno hamwe na mutumia wake. They were out of words to express how humbled and grateful they were for the great surprise. Ona gũtirĩ mũndũ ũramerĩte atĩ kwĩna ũndũ mũbange. They were caught off guard. And Muthe Kiengei took to his Facebook page to share the good news with his fans, to express his joy because he was so overwhelmed, and to greatly thank everyone who took part in that surprise party. Mũndũ wothe ũreyumĩririe na mũno mũno acirika ake a kanitha wa AIPCA Gatundu, because they were the ones at the forefront of this surprise party. And he wrote, "Love that surpasses riches. Thank you so much, my AIPCA Gatundu Cathedral congregation, for this surprise. Coming all the way to check on your pastor is love that can't be compared to any expensive metal or stone. Ngai amũrathime andũ akwa. On my 6th anniversary, hakika I am blessed and favored." And he also shared snippets of how the event was, and indeed people had turned out in large numbers to celebrate both him and his wife on their 6th anniversary. A happy anniversary to them once again. Do not forget to subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.